welcome to today's lab session. Today, we are diving into the essentials of static routing. Throughout this session, we'll explore the foundational concept of static routing, its significance in network configuration, and practical steps to implement it effectively in our lab environment. Let's get started and delve into the world of static routing. But before you begin the session, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Into our main topic, static routing, let's first get an overview of what static routing is. Routing is the fundamental aspect of networking. In simple terms, routing is like finding out the best way to deliver a message from one place to another. Just like you choose the fastest route on a map to get somewhere, routing decides the quickest path for data to travel through a network of devices called routers. These routers determine how data should move, ensuring it reaches its destination smoothly and without delay. Different types of routing: static routing, dynamic routing, and default routing. Let's take a closer look at each one. First up, we have static routing. Static routing is quite straightforward. It involves manually configuring routes in the routing table. Imagine it like setting a fixed path for your daily commute. Network administrators enter these paths manually and they stay put unless someone else changes them. This method is simple and stable, making it ideal for smaller and less dynamic networks. Next, we have dynamic routing. Dynamic routing is a bit more flexible and intelligent. It uses routing protocols to automatically discover and maintain routing tables. Routers exchange routing information with each other, allowing them to adapt to changes in the environment. This method is great for large, more complex environments where routes can change frequently. Lastly, we have default routing. Default routing acts as a catch-all. It involves configuring a router to forward packets for which it does not have a specific path in the routing table. This is like having a direction to follow if you're not sure where to go. Typically, it is used to send traffic destinations for remote networks to a single next hop router. This method, it simplifies routing in environments where you don't need to know all the specific paths in the network. Discuss the objective of the lab. The primary objective of configuring IPv4 static routing is to manually specify the path that the network traffic should take to reach a particular destination network or subnet. Unlike dynamic routing, which automatically adjusts route based on current network conditions, static routing requires the network administrator to manually configure the paths for you. Demonstration, let's consider a scenario. Astra Incorporated, a company specialized in highly speed wireless products, operates a factory in San Francisco with two buildings, one for production and other for quality assurance. Both buildings are currently facing issues with transmitting and receiving data despite being connected to ISP router. The goal is to establish static routes that allow seamless communication between PCs in both buildings and ensure connectivity to the ISP. This will help resolve their current data transmission issues and maintain efficient operations in the buildings. That outline the essentials IP configurations for setting up an IPv4 static routing across the network infrastructure. Topology that illustrates the network configurations for the production and quality assurance building, connected through router R1 and router R2, respectively, and the ISP router serves as the gateway to the external network and manages the traffic router between them. There are few ways you can create this kind of topology. Popular platforms include Cisco Package GNS3, and EVNG. Each of these tools has its own strengths and can help you stimulate different networks. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set it all up using Packet Tracer. It's a great tool for visualizing and experimenting with network configurations. For today, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us.